Okay, we're in exercise 5-3, where we're going to do copy an array. So you can kind of see a different way to copy. And I'm going to go, I'm in the copy3.dwg file. I'm going to go to the view ribbon, and I have some named views. You may recall the named view exercise that we did a couple weeks ago. So if I click bedroom 1, it will zoom into bedroom 1. If I click into dining area, it zooms into the dining area. If I click living room, it clicks into the living room. So those named views allow me to very quickly move from one place to another. I want to zoom into the dining area, and we're going to be copying this small circle. So I'm going to go to the home ribbon. I'm going to select the copy tool from the modify panel. I'm going to select the small circle, and notice I'm prompted to select objects. I select that circle and I press enter, and as soon as I press enter, that indicates that I'm done selecting. I want to select the center point of the circle, and then I can right click and go array. Array basically allows me to create more than one. So it can be a linear array or a polar array. I'm going to go array, and it asks me for the number of items. I'm going to say I want to do 3 circles, and then I can say how I want to array it. I want it to go straight down, so I turned ortho mode on, and I want a distance of 3 feet between my circles. So I'm going to type 3 feet. Okay, and you'll notice that I am in architectural units, and I put an apostrophe to indicate feet, and I hit enter. And I'm still in copy mode. So I'm going to click enter to exit the command, and the 3 circles that represent stools are placed. If you want to verify the distance between the stools, you can use the little distance measurement right here. And I can go from the center of this circle to the center of this circle, and notice it says 3 feet. I'm going to exit.